Welcome yet to another review. First of all, we want to thank everyone who has subscribed to the channel. We see your subscription, we see you watching the channel. Please do subscribe. We need to pay the cameraman, he wants his salary now. But yeah, no, welcome to another review with us in Love Drive. Today we are here at Hyundai in Centurion, and we're going to look at a car that's got divided opinions when it comes to its looks. I particularly love it. As usual, we're going to look at the exterior design, we're going to look at the interior and build quality design, and then for this one we're going to look at the space and usability of the space. So yeah, we're checking out the buzz, the Hyundai Staria. Love Drive, stay tuned. The front of the Staria, you've got a lovely daytime running light that runs across the car. Looks like Robocop. It will appear somewhere here. You've got a beautiful copper grille. It integrates the headlights as well as indicators. This accent continues on the bottom lip, and you've got the same accent in the H and a beautiful front camera. The side profile of the Staria is a bus, it's huge. The same copper accent continues on the mirror caps as well as the door handles. What I love about this mirror, it's got sort of like a two-toned or a two-indicator part, one in the front and one on the sides. You've got your cameras, then you've got a huge windows for the cars, which we'll explore when we go inside. It looks like a bus. The Elite as well as Luxury gets an 18-inch, all the others get a 17-inch rim. Back of Staria looks good. You've got a lovely hidden wiper at the top. You've got a long vertical light cluster, LED. This light technology or the design was firstly seen on the Ioniq 5. It will pop up somewhere on the screen. Like it. Love the Staria. Welcome to the interior of the Hyundai Staria. So before we take a look at this interior, it's worth mentioning its rivals. You've got the Mercedes-Benz V-Class, you've got the Opel Zafira, you've got the VW Caravelle and Combi, then you've got the sister company, the Kia Carnival. Why am I mentioning these rivals? Because I'm about to give you the price. So get a pen and paper. Let's give you the price. The Staria starts at a 9-seater executive, which comes in at 818,900 rands. Then you've got the 11-seater executive, which comes in at 829,900 rands. Then you've got the 9-seater elite that comes in at 964,900 rands. And this one that we are reviewing, top of the range, the luxury, comes in at 1,114,900 rands. Well, that price gets you a lot of tech, which we'll take a look at it a bit later. The back, this is the 9-seater, looks good, looks okay. You've got lovely privacy blinds, standard. You've got some USB port for the back row. You've got some ambient lighting, which looks nice. You've got cup holders. Back here feels good. I like it. You have this beautiful sort of captain chairs, and the second row can swivel around. Looking good. You've got some nice air vents for the back as well, so they don't need to have their own air vents. Some nice grab handles, and I love the suite. Well done, Hyundai.
Okay, so what I can tell you about the Hyundai Staria, it actually comes with lovely features such as your driver assistance. So with your driver assistance, you get things like your lane follow assistance, and as well as forward collision assist safety, your blind spot detections. We can quickly take a look into it now. You see, you even get your driver attention warning. So if the vehicle picks up that you are not driving the way that you normally do, maybe you're swerving off the road and so forth, it'll actually alert you and tell you that, hey, maybe you need to take a coffee break or something. Your forward collision assist safety as well, you can also set up as well. If you want it to be active assist, same applies with that as well. You have your blind spot view as well. And the nice thing that's nice about the digital cluster is actually when you're indicating to the left hand side or the right hand side, what the vehicle will actually do is the clusters, depending on which side you're going to be looking to change to, it'll actually vanish, and then you can actually have a whole camera view of what's happening on your left hand side or your right hand side. So that's pretty neat as well. And then you also get things like what's this, your heated and ventilation system over here, which will allow you to actually heat up the both seats or make them cool down as well. You also have you can see you actually have a whole view of what's happening, front camera, back camera, and actually what they call an overhead display. So that's pretty lovely to have as well. And then over here is your park camera. So you can always use this if ever you're speeding down traffic and you actually need to see what's happening behind you. You see, so it can always remain active even when you are driving full speed. So you can use this as a safety feature if ever you're being chased by somebody, to see what's actually happening behind you. You also have a wireless charging pad, which will allow you to charge your phone wirelessly as well. So there's no need for you to have cables and all those kind of things, but that's only if your phone is actually compatible with the wireless charging as well. But yeah. Okay, and the vehicle also comes with lovely, beautiful aluminum lighting options. So if you actually just look here, you can go to your ambient color. So right now it's in purple, as you may see. And then you can actually go down, change it to a moon white. As you see, it'll slowly start to change, shade green. So at night, this actually looks quite amazing. As you can imagine, it'll start to pop out better, and then you can have better lighting in the vehicle, so it'll actually look like a spaceship inside. So that's pretty neat as well. And then yeah, that's about it. Tailgate.
So what is our verdict of this car? Should you buy this car? Should you not buy this car? Should you shortlist this car? Well, let's give you the numbers first. What moves this bus? It's a 2.2 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which produces 130 kilowatts at 430 newmeters of torque. Hyundai claims that it will return 8.7 liters per 100 kilometers. I think it's a good car. Payment of this car will come up on the screen, and I think it's really a good car. My verdict is go out and test its rival, see what you need. It's a good car to hold a huge family if you've got a big family, and you can put in your luggage and travel in style and in comfort. The only thing that I personally would not buy this car purely is that it does not have the all-wheel drive. But overall, it's a great package. For Love Drive, thank you so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe as we've asked, and stay tuned for more videos.